Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting 1 kg of fresh, cleaned crab and cut into serving pieces, then pat dry with paper towels so the coating sticks. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons rice flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tsp red chili powder, 1 tsp garam masala, 1 tsp salt, and a pinch of black pepper for heat balance. Add 1 egg or 2 tablespoons yogurt to bind. Then toss the crab until each piece is evenly coated and marinate for 20 to 30 minutes so flavors penetrate. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a wide, heavy-bottomed pan on medium-high heat until shimmering. This creates a crisp exterior without deep frying. Place crab pieces in a single layer and dry fry for 6 to 8 minutes, turning every 2 minutes to brown all sides evenly and avoid burning the spice mix. After initial browning, lower heat slightly. Cover and cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes to finish cooking through so the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees F and juices run clear. When the crab is cooked, add 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and a squeeze of 1 lime to deglaze the pan and create a glossy finish that clings to the shells. Stir in 1 tablespoon chopped garlic and 1 tsp sugar if you want a subtle caramel note. Then toss for 30 to 60 seconds so the sauce reduces slightly and coats each piece. Garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro and 1 sliced green chili. Then serve hot with lemon wedges and steamed rice or crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.